Mugavana we county ya Nyamira AMOS NYARIBO nere nigayane kiribuna ase amatuko alebosio nigo ekiombe kelikyo bakolali we county eyu ose county public service board kiranya ko bagego chiko chaka emiremo kubwatekana amo nogokora kugoso kunengirwa kwa balia banyalituka bakorokia iganga yokugania koswa ase kamati gosete kiombekyo ase kolengana no mugavana uyu nigo abantu 15 batatu banyalituka abakorwa wagosoba kugania omabagayo kaba munyakerugo bwe kiombekyo na emirongo kienda no yama kugania koba ababwatani be kiombekyo na nigo ene kiribuna amatukale bwa gusamatuka make alebosio nigo chikane kuneke kiombekyo arasi gubukerani elikorwa wikiranu elikorwa abakora wikirane tego sobwendate ase abamenyi be county ya Nyamira.
We'll sit down, look at this, and follow your recommendations. We are not going to bring new expertise again to look at the people because it's you who looked at the candidates and did the recommendations. I believe it's a cardinal principle, it's regional balance, and you chose the best. This is a team which is going to employ. This is a team which is going to develop human resource. This is a team which is going to final body in matters of discrimination. So they are expected to be above par. We have had previously, I've been here from 2013, we had previously cases of money changing hands. We have had cases of doctors being employed who cannot even treat people. We have had people who are employed apart from fake certificates, which of course the body cannot know. But in the future, we may want, before we confirm somebody, all those should be confirmed. And we have had cases of total incompetence. Total incompetence meaning somebody must have recommended a relative or a friend or for whatever reason and left out very good candidates who can be able to serve, would have been able to serve the country.